I'm here at Bicol University College of Social
I
Science.
choose sociology because this is what
Tulungan niyo ako. Kung sino man po nakakuha ng cellphone na to, ako.
Bicol University has been around for 54 years. With scholarship, leadership, character, and service as the value it upholds, there is no denying that it's an institution full of credibility. With Dr. Babyboy Benjamin Abras III elected as the new university president, humanity is what the university is all about. Producing transformative leaders responsible for generating scholars ng bayan who succeed in their respective fields and contribute to their society as intended. Composing of 7 different campuses, namely the main campus, East, Daraga, Ginubatan, Tabaco, Pulangi, and Gubat campuses, and 21 academic units across the region, it is one of the best-known universities in Bicol. I, in fact, am an alumni of the university, and I am proud to be a product of an institution responsible for creating such wide impact and honing top-notchers in different fields. It excels in the fields of academia, but it also recognizes the welfare of its students by conducting such memorable events as the week-long BU Olympics, which is infamous for its BU Hataw kickoff, which thousands of students look forward and participate in, and the annual Mr. and Miss Bicol University, which not only seeks to entertain but also to find ambassador and ambassadress of humanity for the university. It is fascinating how these achievements have been overshadowed by the missing person incident that has sparked controversy and wonders in the past week. I am Joshua Corpus, and this is Social Diaries. Social Diaries. Social Diaries. Social Diaries. Thank you for your time. Please introduce yourself to the camera.
I am Maria Teresa Bron and 20 years old. I am Juliana's friend.
Please tell us more about Juliana.
Juliana was my friend and pumunta po siya ng Daraga campus para ishoot yung project namin sa IT. And after po nun, hindi na po siya namin nakita. And nag-aalala na po kami sa kanya.
Is there anything you want to say to your friend?
Juliana, kung nasan ka man ngayon, nag-aalala na kami sa'yo. Please contact us. Mahal ka namin.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here at Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. I'm Juliana Maricruz, and I will take you on an adventure to my esteemed campus.
Excuse me po, ate. Hello po. May I interest you in an interview? Para lang po sa project namin.
Okay, sige.
What's your name, your course, and why did you choose the program?
Well, my name is Dasri Di Magila and we're actually in the same program but I'm in my upper year. Kaya hindi mo ko masyadong nakikita.
Ah, kaya pala.
Well, sa tanong mo kanina, I choose sociology because this is what I want to help and serve people. Another reason is to understand our society, including the people, social institution, the law, religion, and many more. Since sociology increases the understanding and the social action for the development of our society or individuals. And sa experience, as a sociology student, you know, it was like riding a roller coaster because there are many good things that happen, and I also inspired to be successful one day because of what I see and learn from our teacher and to my fellow upper student. And also, student in here is literally scared because of Greggy kasi lagi siyang nakasubaybayan at nakikita. Lalo na pag nasa lawaan building.
Sinong Becky?
You'll see.
Sige po. Thank you po.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po. Becky, ang weirdo naman.
As a little fact about me, I am a sociology student. You may think it's impractical, and I believe that it's not. Well, sociology as a course is a valuable and essential one to take in college. And I have recently realized that I have a passion and undying will to understand society and the world, including the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy is situated at Sagpon, Daraga Albay, sharing the campus with College of Business, Economics and Management. With Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno as its college dean, it continued to thrive its utmost service to serve the society as its main proponent and recipient of the changes it procures. Founded on June 21, 1969, the college is best known to champion the offers of the program it has. It has philosophy, psychology, peace studies, political science, sociology, and most remarkably, social work, which is the university is initially known for producing consistent top matchers. Oh my God, last na inip mo. Having the goal to produce graduates imbued with nationalism, patriotism, and to be of service to the society, it holds its head up to the institution's standards.
Why did you choose sociology?
I chose sociology because I really want to study social issues and everything about society. And I am also interested in finding solution to every community problems, to have a deeper understanding of social differences, and to fully understand the relevance of social hierarchies and, of course, social powers in everyday life. My decision to pursue a sociology is influenced by my family. I am willing to take this course, of course, because I find sociology to be an insightful and fascinating course that offers countless chances of personal growth and the pursuit of new interests. With the help of this discipline, I can be better understand the world around me and use my contribution to effectively address social issues.
I actually finished the same degree here in Bicol University. I originally applied for psychology but got shortlisted, so I tried to seek what's closest to my core, which is to serve the community in any way possible. And sociology, being the queen of social sciences, tackles the generalized idea of society and its implications, and eventually fell in love with the program. I always dreamed of working in human resources, and I think that I am going in the right direction. It was overwhelming at first, but professors, composure, expertise in their profession, and passion for teaching are things that can ignite someone's interest as what they did for me, and being in their presence alone is something worth more than gold. My initial goal was to just graduate and get my degree so I could work, but the more I knew about how relevant sociology is and how important the discipline is to the progress of the social world, I took the initiative and made it my mission to let other students know why we shouldn't ignore the soft sciences and their significance in our everyday lives.
Tulungan niyo ako. Kung sino man po nakakawa ng cellphone na to, ako si Juliana Maricruz ng Taysan, Legazpi City.
Thank you so much for your time and I hope na mahanap na o umuwi na si Miss Cruz and I hope she's safe kung saan man siya.